Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. Another small green day. However, I didn't trade a lot today, and feeling like less is more on days like this. So, without further ado, first ticker on my watch list was BON. It gapped up and into a hot. However, I thought it would be a 5 minute or 10 minute hot, but it seems to be a while now. So, it seems like it was IPOing. It got IPO a few days, maybe last week. I don't know. Yeah, so I did traded it prior to this, but was hoping to trade again. However, this halt, something is happening, but not sure why it is, and it's past my prime trading time, so I'll just let this go. Second is ONCS. This is probably the only trade I took today. So into the open pre-market, I didn't really watch it. However, most stocks are like this, gap up on like maybe a 1 minute candle. Then it just all the way got down. So that was just how it is. So into the open, it did went up. However, I'm still not confirmed about it yet because the market doesn't seem so great compared to like the previous few days. So I added here for it to break, and I added at this pullback was pretty perfect at, I would say. Then the next candle, it seems to be a double bottom, so I'm very comfortable about this position. So then the next candle, as you can see, is nearing this area. I'm assuming this is the area it should go. And when it's at this area struggling to go, I know something is not right for NCS. Somehow the buying power is not there for some reason, and the volume didn't come back up, because this is basically the area where it should go. So after this pullback, then here is where it at least try to break the trend. I mean, for a higher high than possibly this, but it didn't, so I sold off here. And as predicted, it's pretty bad. So they did try to pop here, but can't go. So this is where I deemed as a descending resistance. So basically, didn't really touch it. Then at this point of time, actually, it looks like this. So to me, this seems like an ugly hand, inverse hand shoulder. However, I didn't trust my gut enough, and so I did not trade here. Else this could be a good buy, or maybe when it got above 4 again, and I could have bought it, but just let it run. So however, I did kind of chase it, added it here. It's pretty alright to say, sold off here, as I see. I mean, it should move up faster here in my opinion, since there was this double top here, so I was being cautious, so I sold off here. Did went up a little more. However, it's consolidating, then the double top, and just got knife. I mean, not really knife, more of a momentum stop. So I guess this is okay. This is probably my only trade I did today. Could have trust myself more on this inverse head and shoulder pattern, although it's ugly, but it's still something. Could have added here maybe risk of below VWAP. So where this like this, less is more. These are just the two main watch, and another one is NEGG. This one is, I guess I was being too cautious, so was watching NEGG, came up strongly, then tried to break. It broke the 40, almost broke it by $1. However, it did come back down. So I was thinking, if let's say it could cross 40 and try for 48 again, I would be bullish on it. So nice pullback and just consolidate it. And as it's trying again, I wasn't watching here. I think it's 10, that was 10:06. I'm pretty much done for the day, although I only did 2 trades. I was telling myself like this, maybe less is more. However, NEG just went without me, I guess. So this would be my ideal ad spot, or maybe here, so to race off each other. But yeah, I did not add it here, so it continued to went up into the hot without me. and now it's at this area. This is like a $10 move. I mean $8. So I'm not gonna lie, it's very frustrating for me, especially like I already had these numbers in mind. This, if let's say it cross here again, and let's say it can convincingly cross 40, I'll be bullish on it. That's why I did all these markings, but volume looks nice too. However, I missed this and I dare not chase it. So yeah, things like that could happen. And yeah, that's just $3 difference. So probably too risky at this point of time. However, this could be a perfect play, but hopefully some of you viewers were in this play. That's a really nice $8 to $9 move. So this is two moves today that I did not trust myself enough. One is this inverse head and shoulder. Could have added small here and resolved the VWAP. And this NEGG coming back up 40 strong. Could have added here, resolved maybe 39.50. So yeah, hindsight, everything is 2020, right? So just not gonna beat myself down on this. Yeah, this is a $10 place, might give me a really big win day. However, I will just accept the fact that I did two pretty decent trade and just take the win and not overstay my welcome. So yeah, DTST is, most of the tickers looks like this. So DTSD was in a lot of people's main watch as it was the leading gapper. It was like 60-70% if I'm not wrong. However, I don't like all these top tails, and these 5 candles shows how volatile and choppy it is. So unless it convincingly cross the PMH, I'm not bullish on it. And if somehow it does do this stupid turn or anything, then yeah, I'm fine not playing it, because this is very risky, this choppiness. Like playing a play like this is more like gambling than trading. And as you can see, this is how it usually is. So since other people might be thinking the same thing and hence not bullish on it, DARU was the second one, pretty similar. This was actually my main watch. However, into the open, it did try a bit. I wanted to play safe to avoid maybe the first 5 minutes, since the market has no clear direction. So I let it play out, and seems like choose to go down, which is okay. OPNT was probably, yeah, as you can see, same thing. Chop. AMC, I know for last month or something, a lot of people made a lot of money on AMC, but yeah, probably maybe it's dying off. Isn't memeing that much. I mean, New Wake sounds like a name that, I don't know, the watch backs people like to meme. And as you can see, it's going crazy. It's going 90 now. So AMBO did a nice move today, crossing 2.6. Hopefully it won't be just a one-time thing like this. Yeah, and AMS not doing too well, and PT and SNDL is getting uglier and uglier. These are 4 of my swings, not doing too well. So yeah, that's all for today. Pretty okay results. I mean, of course I could have traded better. Look at NEGG. This pullback is really nice, but it's way too extended for me to play now. Maybe if this was a red candle, then I might consider. This feels really extended and is in the blue sky range, so I'm sure a lot of people will be in this, and the shorts are probably covering at this point. However, I would choose to walk away. So yep, miss out 2 plays, but did 2 decent ones, although of smaller scale. So just gonna end it here and take my leave and not let the market force me to leave. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember guys, stay safe and trade safe. Peace.